Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share with you the July 2024 Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. This is a really fun box. I believe today's the first day we're able to share it. So if you haven't received yours in the mail, please know that, spoiler alert, we are going to show the contents. I also have something super fun to share with you that I kind of found by accident. I bought this container for one purpose and now I'm using it for another purpose. So we'll talk about that as soon as I share the Sew Sampler box contents with you. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's go ahead and open the July box. Spoiler alert, if you don't have your box yet, we are going to show all of the contents. This one was called Playful Summer, and I have to say, once again, I did not guess the fabric collection, but once I opened it up, then I realized I should have guessed it because, let's do the fabric first, because I'm super familiar with this 30s Playtime collection by Lindsay McCrae. Lindsay is a fellow moda designer, and she had this fabric at Quilt Market when we were there last October. She was showing it in her booth. And it's just a really delightful collection. And I think it's just wonderful that there are 3 different charm packs included. You can really make a nice size project. I just love kind of this. I think that's my favorite print in the collection. Just this vintage, a little bit deeper aqua background with those flowers. I just love that. I feel like I could buy a bolt of it. Really some fun prints in this collection. And so, of course, there is an exclusive pattern in the box, and it's a table runner. It's called 5 Stars. And you actually use this Woven Star foundation paper from Fat Quarter Shop to make the blocks. So they're all going to be perfect because they are foundation pieced. And they make little tiny 4-inch blocks, and so you can see they've got them just sprinkled all around in this runner with some little squares in between. It's a super cute project. Okay, also included is, this is just the card that tells you about everything that is in the box for the month, and they often give you a little bonus or something like that. So also included is a Sew Line blue water-soluble glue pin. Super helpful if you're doing any kind of, English paper piecing. A lot of people like to use the glue. I don't use the glue, but this will be nice to have actually. Also, Fat Quarter Shop has sent these in the box before. This is just a little pen holder, super cute. You can use it for pens or scissors, or even, it's pretty stretchy, so even small rulers and other tools will fit in there and just sit on your desktop. Super cute. I love this. Just a little bucket bag, and super cute. You could use this on the top of your sewing table to keep just to toss your scraps in, or it'd be super cute at a retreat to just fill it up with things that you need to keep on your quilting table. But really love this little bucket bag with the heart on the front. Really a fun little notion. And then finally, last but not least, is this month's Peaceful Baskets pattern. And this is, I believe, block 4. Yes, block 4. So a really great Sew Sampler box once again. And as I mentioned at the beginning, I also wanted to share something that I recently found that I am absolutely just in love with. And I found out about this kind of accidentally. I actually purchased this box. I saw somebody share about it on a blog, and she shared this as a terrific snack box for her kids. It has little handles, so you can easily carry it out to your patio, or if you're going to the beach or something, you could easily have it in an ice chest and have a handle on it. Anyway, she shared that she was going to use all the little containers inside to put different healthy snacks for her kids, carrots and peppers and cucumbers and broccoli, and one of them she put the dip in, and I thought that is such a great idea. So we were getting ready to have a 4th of July, kind of after the 4th of July party with our family, and so I ordered it, and when it got here, I decided I was never going to put food in it because it works perfectly for hexagons. So I'm so excited. I actually have more. I'm actually going to do some rearranging, and eventually probably get some of these done by color coordinated. I've got the trays are big enough that you can also store your papers. I have a little clear acrylic template from Paper Pieces. It's a 1-inch template, which means it cuts the fabric just a little bit larger so that you can use it with paper with 1-inch sides. So I'm able to keep that in here. A mini charm pack will fit. I've got hexagons that are already cut into, the shapes with this template. I've got them in here. I've got thread. I need to put some needles in here. I've got a pair of scissors. I am super excited to use this for my kind of a travel hexagon sewing kit. And I've had one in the past, but I feel like I haven't been able to keep things from kind of getting all discombobulated when I travel. I've used different fabric bags and things like that and haven't been able to keep everything organized, but you can see that even if you turn this upside down, those hexagons are going to stay where they are, and I love that about this. So super excited to kind of finish setting this up for myself, and not only good for travel, you could leave it in your family room and have it just ready to pull out whenever you have a chance to work on some of your English paper piecing. So really wanted to share that with you today, and I'll have a link to this in today's description as well. Okay, so that's it for the July 2024 Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. Another terrific box, as you can see and as I shared about in today's video. And also, I hope you enjoyed learning about my new little kit for English paper piecing hexagon sewing. I was really super excited how this all worked out, and I don't know, maybe I will still order another one and keep it in the kitchen for snacks, but this one is definitely staying with my sewing projects. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, subscribe to our channel if you hadn't already, and hit the like button. Thanks so much for stopping by.